official day that I finally cleaned my closet. It's long overdue. Gonna be a journey today because why don't you just take a look? Got a lot of work to do. Let's get started. So here's just a quick little overview of what my closet looks like. Clearly it's a disaster. There's shoes all over the floor. Shelf boxes are out of their shelves. It's just a complete mess. So it's definitely time to get organized in this new year. Like literally things are falling off the shelves. So my first tip for you guys is to put on some upbeat music because honestly this project will probably take a lot of your day. So having on some music is going to keep you pumped up and motivated, and it's just fun to have music on. You know, who doesn't love music? So I just put on one of my Spotify playlists and I was ready to jam. So what you're going to do first is take every single piece of clothing out of your closet, and I mean everything. And it sounds like a lot, it's going to take a little bit of time, but it's so worth it. You just got to start fresh. And also, like, why did I have school supplies in my closet? I don't even know. That's why we're cleaning it out. So go ahead and literally take out everything you see in your closet. Just go for it. So now that you have an empty closet, just take a second to look at it because I haven't seen mine like this since I moved into my house. So it's kind of weird to see it completely empty. But then as soon as you look outside your closet, you see all of your clothes on the floor and it's a huge disaster. But don't worry, we're getting there. So next, you're going to go through every piece of clothing on your floor and separate it into two different piles. I made a keep pile and then a pile of clothes that I'm going to donate or get rid of. So make sure to actually take your time doing this because you want to get rid of as many clothes as possible, just clothes you don't wear anymore. I'd say if you haven't worn it the past 6 months to a year or so, get rid of it because someone else will enjoy wearing it more. And it honestly feels so good to get rid of clothes and just free up some space, start fresh. It's just really nice. This is a judgment-free zone, so please do not judge my room right now and my clothes. I have finished sorting through and it kind of looks like you can't even tell that I've sorted through clothes, but this is a giveaway pile, and then this is keeping pile, which seems like a lot, but just trust me, that's like basically my clothes. Also, I'm honestly shocked that all of this fit inside of that closet. It's mind-blowing. Now that you've got your two piles, you're going to take the pile that you're keeping and start folding up all the clothes and organizing them, which takes forever. Honestly, this is my least favorite part of the whole process. But I made different piles of long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts, sweaters, sweatshirts and hoodies, jackets, shorts, skirts, pants, dresses, literally just the more organized the better. Make as many piles as you can to just keep everything in its own little section, and that way it'll be 100 times easier to put everything back into your closet since it's already, you know, kind of put together. Next, you're going to take all your different piles and put them on some hangers and start hanging them up. So my system, I actually kind of like how I did it. I switched it up a little bit, but I put nice long sleeve flowy tops on the top bar as well as sweaters and also sweatshirts and hoodies. I just wanted to keep the whole top row strictly for like long sleeve stuff for when it's colder outside. And then for the bottom part where I hang clothes, I put short sleeve shirts, t-shirts, also skirts and shorter dresses because I kind of wanted to keep more like summery, flowy, more free clothes, I guess, on the same row. And as for leggings and jeans and shorts, I'd recommend just folding those up and putting them in a drawer if you have space for that because hanging, I just think you should hang like shirts and dresses and skirts, but the rest you can fold, I would say. And a little tip for you guys is to put your longer maxi dresses towards the back of your closet because that way they won't get all tangled up with the other clothes, and if you want to wear them, you can just reach in the back and you're good to go. Next, I just hung up all my jackets, cardigans, stuff like that, kind of miscellaneous things, and they were all like together in the same area. And for shoes, I just gathered up the shoes that I was keeping and put them on the bottom underneath all the clothes that I was hanging. And then I also put a few up on a very top shelf because I didn't want to crowd everything up on the bottom row, and I think it worked out pretty well. Now, if you guys are anything like me, you have a ton of miscellaneous stuff like hats, headbands, scarves, things like that. So for those things, I'd recommend getting some little storage bins. You can find these at Target or Walmart. Just store like hats and belts together and then maybe scarves and headbands and just put them in some little shelves. And that's it. Now your closet is completely organized. It feels so good. It was long overdue for me to clean my closet, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. My life just feels so much more put together now, and it's just so much easier to find clothes. So I hope all my little tips helped you guys out. It does take some time to clean your closet, but trust me, it's so worth it, and you just feel so much better about everything. I highly recommend it. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below because I worked literally all day filming this video and then I spent days editing it, but it was so worth it because now I have a clean closet and I'm also really happy with how the video turned out. If you guys watched my New Year's resolutions video, one of my resolutions was to clean my closet and I'm so happy now it's complete. I just feel so much better. So if you guys have a messy closet, it's a great idea to just declutter it and just follow the steps in this video and you'll be so much happier, I promise you. I tried to make it as easy as possible, not confusing, so I hope all these tips helped you out. And if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe because you'll probably like my other videos and I post all the time. I have so many exciting videos coming out and you don't want to miss out. Also, please go follow me on Instagram, Spotify, Twitter, all that kind of stuff because I post constantly. So I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Comment down below if you guys are planning on cleaning your closets and if it works out for you. And I will talk to you in my next video. Bye. Well, you might